You see a lot of motorhomes on the road, but you've never seen anything like this before. Imagine a futuristic mansion on wheels, stretching nearly 50 feet long, standing 3 stories tall, carrying 22 massive wheels, featuring a private rooftop helipad, a luxury cinema, elegant lounges, premium bedrooms, and breathtaking architecture that looks like it belongs in the year 2050. It doesn't just redefine luxury travel, it completely changes the way we imagine life on the road. Welcome back to AS Motorzone. Today, we're taking an exclusive tour of one of the most extraordinary luxury motorhome concepts ever imagined. This isn't your typical RV, and it isn't even a luxury bus. What you're about to see is a rolling mansion designed for those who believe that luxury should never stop, no matter where the journey takes them. Every inch of this incredible machine has been created with elegance, innovation, and futuristic engineering in mind. So sit back, relax, and let's explore this unbelievable masterpiece together. The very first thing that grabs your attention is its incredible presence. Standing 3 stories high, this futuristic motorhome dominates the landscape, like a luxury yacht placed on wheels. Finished in a flawless pearl white paint, with premium metallic gold accents, the body shines beautifully under natural light. The deep black panoramic glass wraps almost the entire vehicle, giving it a seamless futuristic appearance, while also providing incredible views from inside, unlike conventional motorhomes that resemble oversized buses. This concept has been sculpted with smooth aerodynamic curves, flowing body lines, and yacht-inspired architecture. Every angle looks expensive. Every detail feels carefully designed. From the sharp front fascia to the elegant rear section, nothing appears ordinary. The front end immediately tells you that this isn't designed for average travelers. The sleek LED light signature stretches across the width of the vehicle, creating a sophisticated and modern face. Below that sits an aggressive luxury grille, finished with polished gold detailing surrounding a premium emblem that perfectly complements the futuristic design language. Even the side mirrors have been reimagined with sculpted aerodynamic housings finished in glossy gold, making them look more like artwork than traditional mirrors. Moving along the side, you'll immediately notice something truly remarkable. This motorhome rides on 22 massive wheels. These aren't here simply for appearance. They help distribute the enormous weight of this mobile mansion, while delivering outstanding road stability and comfort. Each wheel features premium gold alloy rims that perfectly match the elegant exterior styling. The wheel arches blend naturally into the flowing bodywork, making the entire vehicle appear longer, lower, and even more luxurious. Instead of large storage compartments interrupting the design, hidden flush-mounted panels are integrated smoothly into the body. Everything feels clean, sophisticated, and futuristic. One of the biggest design highlights has to be the continuous panoramic black glass stretching across all 3 levels. From the outside, the windows create one uninterrupted glossy surface, making the motorhome look like a luxury skyscraper on wheels. As daylight changes throughout the journey, these glass panels reflect the surrounding environment while maintaining complete privacy for everyone inside. Now, let's step inside, because that's where this extraordinary machine truly comes to life. The moment the automatic entrance door opens, you're welcomed into a space that feels nothing like a traditional RV. Instead, it feels like entering the lobby of a 5-star luxury hotel. Warm ambient lighting softly illuminates every corner. Premium marble flooring stretches throughout the lower level, while elegant gold accents add richness without becoming overwhelming. Directly ahead sits the breathtaking main lounge. Large white leather sofas invite you to relax after a long drive. Every cushion looks handcrafted. Every surface feels premium. At the center sits an elegant marble coffee table, surrounded by luxurious seating that creates the perfect environment for conversations, entertainment, or simply enjoying the beautiful scenery outside. The panoramic black glass windows flood the lounge with natural light, while providing spectacular views in every direction. One of the most impressive features inside this lounge is the floating staircase. Instead of using conventional steps, the designers created a modern staircase with illuminated glass railings and polished gold handrails that connect all 3 levels of the motorhome. The staircase itself becomes a beautiful architectural centerpiece, rather than simply a functional element. Just behind the lounge sits a compact, yet incredibly luxurious kitchen. Although space inside a motorhome is always limited, this kitchen proves that intelligent design can make even a small area feel premium. The countertops are crafted from polished white marble with subtle gold veining. Luxury cabinetry hides refrigerators, storage compartments, and modern appliances behind seamless glossy panels. A premium induction cooktop, elegant gold faucet, integrated sink, coffee station, microwave, and hidden storage solutions make this kitchen capable of preparing everything from quick breakfasts to gourmet dinners. Soft LED lighting beneath the cabinets creates a welcoming atmosphere during evening hours. It's easy to imagine enjoying a fresh cup of coffee here while overlooking mountains, lakes, or peaceful countryside through the panoramic windows. Continuing further inside, we arrive at the private ground floor bedroom. Despite its compact footprint, every inch has been optimized for comfort. A luxury double bed, dressed in premium white bedding, sits against an upholstered designer headboard, accented with warm ambient lighting. Built-in wardrobes provide practical storage without sacrificing elegance. The panoramic side window transforms the bedroom into a peaceful retreat where every sunrise becomes part of the experience. Adjacent to the bedroom is a beautifully designed bathroom. Compact doesn't mean basic here. Marble walls surround a frameless glass shower with luxurious gold fixtures. A floating vanity supports an elegant vessel sink beneath an illuminated mirror. Every surface feels clean, refined, and worthy of a luxury hotel suite. After exploring the first level, let's head upstairs to the second floor. As we climb the illuminated staircase, the atmosphere becomes even more exclusive. The second floor has been designed as a private luxury living space. The lounge here feels brighter, quieter, and even more relaxing. Large panoramic windows stretch across both sides, creating breathtaking views wherever the motorhome travels. Luxury white sofas, premium designer furniture, elegant lighting, and sophisticated decor create the perfect environment for reading, relaxing, or spending quality time with family and friends. Because this level sits higher above the road, passengers enjoy an incredible elevated perspective rarely found in any recreational vehicle. Behind the lounge lies the master bedroom. Although it's still designed to fit within a motorhome, it delivers the feeling of a luxury boutique hotel. The premium king-size bed dominates the room. Designer lighting surrounds the headboard, while hidden storage keeps everything organized and uncluttered. Elegant finishes, warm textures, and panoramic side windows create an atmosphere that's calm, comfortable, and incredibly luxurious. Whether parked beside the ocean or overlooking mountain landscapes, waking up here would be an unforgettable experience. Naturally, a luxury master bedroom deserves a premium bathroom. The second floor bathroom continues the same elegant design language. White marble, gold fittings, frameless glass shower enclosure, floating vanity, luxury lighting, and intelligent storage combine to create a space that feels both sophisticated and practical. Now we arrive at the third floor, and this is where the concept becomes truly extraordinary. Instead of adding another bedroom, the designers transformed this entire level into a private entertainment sanctuary. Walking inside feels like entering an exclusive VIP cinema. Luxury reclining theater seats wrapped in premium leather face, an enormous ultra-high-definition screen. Hidden surround sound speakers fill the room with immersive audio. Soft, LED lighting glows beneath every seat, while a stunning fiber-optic ceiling recreates the beauty of a star-filled night sky. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies, major sporting events, or relaxing with family after a long journey, this private cinema delivers an experience that rivals many luxury home theaters. And just when you think this motorhome couldn't possibly offer anything more, there's still one final level waiting above. Let's head to the rooftop. As the rooftop access opens, you're greeted by one of the most unbelievable features ever imagined for a motorhome. A fully integrated private, HELIPAD. An actual rooftop helipad, designed with premium composite decking, glass safety railings, elegant lighting, and reinforced structural engineering. This space transforms the motorhome into something that feels closer to a luxury superyacht than a recreational vehicle. A sleek executive helicopter rests proudly on the landing pad, creating one of the most dramatic visual statements imaginable. Whether it's used for luxury transportation, business travel, or simply showcasing the ultimate lifestyle, the rooftop helipad instantly separates this concept from every motorhome ever built. But the rooftop offers even more. Toward the front sits a beautiful open-air terrace. This peaceful outdoor lounge has been designed as the perfect place to unwind after a day of travel. Luxury outdoor sofas, elegant coffee tables, subtle LED lighting, and panoramic glass railings create an incredible atmosphere. Imagine sitting here at sunset with your favorite drink, surrounded by endless mountain views, quiet countryside, or the open coastline. It's difficult to believe you're standing on top of a motorhome, rather than a luxury penthouse. Every detail throughout this incredible vehicle reflects thoughtful design. From the flowing exterior curves, to the seamless panoramic glass, from the handcrafted lounges, to the elegant bedrooms, from the compact luxury kitchen, to the spa-inspired bathrooms, from the private cinema, to the breathtaking rooftop helipad. Everything works together to create a completely new vision of luxury travel. Of course, this is a futuristic concept, but that's exactly what makes it so exciting. It shows us what tomorrow's luxury motorhomes could become when designers are free to dream beyond today's limitations. Instead of simply building a vehicle for transportation, this concept creates a complete luxury lifestyle that can travel anywhere. It proves that comfort, innovation, architecture, and engineering can exist together inside one extraordinary mobile masterpiece. So, what do you think? If this futuristic triple-decker mansion on wheels became a reality, would you take it on a cross-country road trip across America, park it beside a beautiful lake, or travel coast to coast while enjoying 5-star luxury every single day? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this incredible tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AS Motorzone, and turn on notifications so you never miss another showcase of the world's most luxurious cars, motorhomes, and futuristic vehicles. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next amazing adventure.